guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is again going to be a Zodiac inspired video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to me and give this video a thumbs up before we get started, because why not. And today's video is going to be inspired by Zodiac sign Taurus, which comes second on the Zodiac table or something. And this video is inspired by this image right here. And as you can see, this image has a lot of browns and neutrals, so we are going to give this idea a little bit of chance. I'm going to take the inspiration that I get from this image and I'm going to turn it into this makeup look, as you can see. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like the concept, give this video a thumbs up. If you're a Taurus, give this video a thumbs up. And let's go! And today's makeup is going to be a Taurus inspired makeup video, and as you can see in this picture right here, this picture has a lot of browns and little like subtle neutral colors. Taurus is a zodiac sign which is very calm and passionate about things, so today's video is also going to be inspired by this picture right here, which is all about neutral shades, and we are going to play with neutral colors today. So to start this makeup today, I've already done my foundation, and next I'm going to use this Clear Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to apply it. I'm going to use this over the eyelid area to give my eyeshadow a eyeshadow base, and also to cover the dark areas of my eyes. I'm going to pat it like this, and I'm going to try and... So to do today's makeup, I'm going to use my Morphe 35F palette, and first of all I'm going to dip my brush into this very nude and almost fair for me kind of color, and I'm going to use this as my transition, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Then next I'm going to use this brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid and not into the crease. Actually I'm going to apply it to the eyelid and I'm going to blend it out to the crease. And next I'm going to take a little bit of scotch tape, because I'm going to make an eyeliner out of eyeshadow. So I'm using a scotch tape. You can use, if you're precise enough, you can skip this, but I am not that professional, you guys. Not yet, at least. So I'm going to apply this right here. I'm going to dip my fluffy brush into a black shade right here, and I'm going to take this into the outer corner like this. Now I'm going to take the tape off. Then I'm going to take a packing brush and dip it in this orange brown shadow, and I'm going to apply this color all over the inner corners of my eyelid. Now again I'm taking the same concealer and I'm going to apply it to the under eye area, and I'm going to blend it out. And with the highlight, I am also going to contour my face. To contour my face, I am using this palette. And then using my makeup sponge, I am going to try and blend everything out, starting from my forehead, the makeup sponge is not working that good as I expected it to, so I'm switching it to the brush. Using my all-time favorite compact from Lakme and smearing my brush into it, making too much powder. Apply it all over my face before my concealer starts to crease. Next I'm going to highlight my eyes. For highlighting I'm using this golden highlight, and I'm going to apply the highlight to the inner corner. And for the rest of my face, I'm using a slightly bigger brush. I'm going to swirl it in the highlight, as much as highlight I want, as much sparkly highlight as I want. Apply it to the highest points of my face Now taking a mascara, I'm going to curl up my lashes to heaven. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to tight line it. And the last thing that I'm going to do is lipstick, because I like doing my lipstick last. So I'm using this clear shade number 42, and I'm going to slow my brush into it. And I'm going to apply this all over my lips. I completely forgot to use my bronzer, and that is the reason probably my face is looking extra white and there are no shadows involved. So I'm going to use Sivanna colors palette. I'm going to dip my brush into this peach blush and this bronzer to kind of combine both of them, and I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. So that is it, guys. This is how this look turned out to be. This was totally inspired by Taurus, but I feel like this turned out to be a complete awesome date night look. But if you think you have any suggestions for me to follow or any video ideas you want me to do, please let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.